Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a full set of Skull Panda Image of Reality series. I'm not actually a collector of Skull Panda, but I unboxed some few pieces of Skull Panda series before, and it started to give me some vibe. And from this series, I unboxed one figure, which is the Soar, and I like that figure. That's why I decided to unbox a full set. But the one that I opened or unboxed before, which is the Soar, was sold already. That's why here I am. I have full set of Skull Panda Image of Reality series. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin the unboxing for this beautiful series, let me show you or unbox first the bag that I sold online, or this is mainly my business. So this is a like a freebie unboxing for you guys because this is my newest release item, which is the Moody. We have this Moody Premium Korean box bag, and it's aluminum, and this is the packaging. And let me show you. This is the back part. So this is the front part. So this is the bags that I have, which has a two variant, the one with the handle and the one with the belt or the strap wrap around. So let me show you first this one because maybe some of you who are watching right now might be interested in my other items, and maybe you want to buy. I will put the details or the link on the description section. So this is the packaging of my bag. It has a bubble wrap pouch so that it will protect the item. And at the same time, it has a dust bag included if you're going to store your bag if not in use. And inside of it, it has a plastic to avoid the scratches. So this is the bag that we are selling online, and this is the brand. This is my brand, which is the Moody. For this variant, I actually have two variants. For this collection, the one with the handle. So this is the one with the handle. The body is a aluminum magnesium alloy, and it's a black one. We have three colors available for this. We have silver and baby pink. Let me show you and turn it at the back. This is the other side, and this is the side part, which is the where you're going to hook the strap. And this is the opening section of the bag. You just have to click this one to open it, and it has a bag strap included inside. So this is like a thick strap which is very strong, and it is adjustable. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to set aside this one, and this is the what's inside of this bag. It has a leather lining, a division, and a side pocket, and a zipper where you can put your coins or a passport or other cards. And the size of this one is around the thickness of this one is around 2 inches, and the height is around 4 inches, and the length is around 6 to 7 inches. So you can put a lot of things on the in this bag, and this is very compact and very handy if you're going to travel. So yeah, you can partner this one uh, in your OOTD. So if you want to buy this one, guys, the other variants that we have is the one with the belt wrap around with the black, and the belt is yellow. We have the brown with the silver with the brown belt, and pink with the pink belt as well. So if you want to buy this one, guys, I'm going to put the link of my shop in the comment section or in the description section. So guys, let's go with the unboxing now. So we have these 12 individual boxes of Image of Reality of Skull Panda, and let me get one. And they have 12 confirmed figures, in my previous vlog, if you watched my previous vlog, I unboxed the Zor, which I sold it already. So I don't have any of these figures now. And they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. And if you can see in the lineup, I like them all. I don't know why. It has a Halloween vibe, a very creepy vibe for me. And but my prio that I wanna see first is the merchant. I wanna see the time lapse. I wanna see the philosophy, the paradox, the duality of white and black. Because maybe these two are like a pair, and I wanna see the disguise. I actually like them all. That's why I decided to collect the full set. So let me start unboxing this first box. I really like the box. It's very mysterious vibe. I really like the packaging and the illustration. It's very Skull Panda. And yeah, this one is quite light figure. So let's see. I just hope that it I'm lucky enough to get the secret. So let me open this one. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part so that I can keep the box in a good condition so that I can store them while it's not in display. So let's see guys. If you are a collector of Skull Panda, this is for you. You can comment down below which series is your favorite, or if you have this image of reality already, you can give me your comments down below if which one here is your favorite. So let's see. Our first figure. I'm really curious to see all the figures of this image of reality. Of all the Skull Panda that was released already, this catches my eyes. This series catches my eyes because of the variety of the figures. They are all look very mysterious to me. So let's see guys, who's this one? Our first figure. One, two, three. Oh no, this is so beautiful guys. Look. Let me remove the styrofoam. Look guys. How beautiful this figure is. It's like a it's like a flower, but it reminds me of Marilyn Monroe when she was standing in a like a duck pipe of air vent that her skirt is flowing up or blowing upside down upside or just like this, but it looks like a flower which is blooming. I like the intricate of details of this one. They use a different type of materials, a clear PVC, a translucent material. I like the eyes of Skull Panda here. It has two variations of eyes, two designs of eyes. I don't know what's the meaning of these. And if you can see the I'm not sure what do you call about this ball, helmet ball on the side, and it's a translucent material and it has two colors, like one dark blue and red, which is upside down. It's like a tears. I don't know, this one is so cute and very mysterious figure. Let me check the art card so that I can show you. Okay, there's no stand with this one. So this is the anti-gravity. Okay, so maybe Skull Panda is trying to descend and her skirt is blowing up. That's why it looks like this. And I like the helmet of Skull Panda here. Very nice. I like the color combination. Very Skull Panda. Oops. What do you think about this figure, guys? Okay, let me read the what's written here. The patterns on the earballs are created with advanced vacuum molding for indication. Okay, just like an explanation. But this one is so cute. I like the color combination. What do you think about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the second box. So I'm going to pick the one on the side of the one we unboxed. So this one is quite heavy. So I'm not sure if we are going to get the paradox or the merchant. So let's see. Let's see. I'm excited because I see the first figure, and this one is it looks much better in an actual figure than the artwork. So this one is definitely a piece of art and worth to collect. So this is our second figure. Uh-oh, this one's quite chunky. One, two, three. Oh, I'm right. Did I say it right? Yeah, we got the merchant. Look how beautiful it is. And the body or the it's like a skirt of Skull Panda is like moving around like this. How beautiful! Very beautiful. Look, guys. The back part is it looks like Skull Panda is wearing a sun crown at the back, and the face of Skull Panda is like a sun, and yeah, it's moving around like a table. And I like the boots of Skull Panda has a design of the sun, golden sun as well. This one is so cute. Okay, there's an inclusion with this. And this is the art card. We got the merchant. And this is the hat of Skull Panda, like a traffic cone. Like you can put this one here. It's magnetized. Look, guys, that's why I decided to get this full set, because look how beautiful this one, and very artistically done. And look, it's like a table of moon, and how amazing this one. Very cute, very beautiful. I like the face of Skull Panda. I like the eyes. It's like there's a ring of a ring of Saturn. Very nice. I like this one. And even the what you call this one? Balls? The balls is like a moon. You know what? There is an explanation in every card. For example, the torso can spin all the way around, and the hot stuff is magnetic. Imagine a merchant selling time into day and night, calculating its value. Look how beautiful this is. This is my sorry, this is my favorite so far. Right? Very nice. Oh, what can you say about the merchant, guys? You will definitely love this one. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So I'm going to get this one for our third box. Guys, these are so beautiful, and I want to keep going because I want to see all of them in an actual figure. This one is a very light figure. So I'm not sure which one is this. I want to get a secret. I want to see the secret in this lineup. This one is a very light figure. So maybe this one it's either of these two, duality or the time lapse, I believe. I am guessing. I'm actually just guessing. No? Oh, spoiler! What's that? Anyway, I don't know what it is. So one, two, three. Oh yeah, I'm right. I got the time lapse. Look, it has a hard plastic protector like a blister pack. And this one is so cute. Look, guys, how amazing this is. It's like a clock in a Big Ben. I'm not sure if this is moving around or no. But this one, I don't know. It's like a piece of art. I really, really like this one. I actually love it. So at the back of the clocks, this is clock sticking. So there's something like a inclusion like a key, because there's a keyhole in here. So I'm not sure if this is moving. No. Oh yeah, the clock is sticking like that. Oh. Here. If you're going to turn around this one, the eyes of Skull Panda is changing. If you can see this one, guys, look. Oh, the one eye is closed and the other one is open. Look how beautiful. And no, it has how many variants of eyes? One, the one closed, three, the one closed. Yeah, it's like three variants of eyes. The one's like a half closed eyes, one half open, half closed. The one is closed and the one is full eyes. How beautiful! What can you say about this one, guys? Look how intricate the detail is. This is so cool. This is so beautiful. I'm not regretting getting this figure. And this full set is so beautiful. And I can say that this collection is worth to collect. Highly recommended, guys. If you have something to say as well, you are free to comment down below. So let's proceed with our next box. I'm gonna get this one now. Okay, this one's quite heavy, so I'm not sure. We got the time lapse, we got the merchant, we got the anti gravity. We got these three already. And look, guys, how beautiful this figure. So I wanna keep going and unbox them all now, but let me give you some like tease and excitement, and maybe we might have a secret, so that will be definitely fun and exciting. So let's see, guys, our fourth figure. Oops, another. I dropped the spoiler, but let's see if I am right. So one, two, three. Yes, we got the one that I like as well. Look, the bird. Look, guys, the two-ear ball is like a gray eyes. Can you see it? Look how beautiful this is. The intricate details of the feathers. It has a gold pearlescent finish. She is handling a book, and let me put all the inclusion so that we can appreciate it more. So this is the philosophy. Okay, let me set aside this boxes and plastic and everything and put all the inclusions. So this is the stand. Okay, so she has to stand here like this. Is it strong enough? And I guess this is the mask of an owl, and I believe this is magnetized. Yes, it is. Look how beautiful. I love the feathers, the color of the feathers, the color combination. Look how beautiful this one. I like it. I like the color gradient. This is so nice. What can you say about this one, guys? Look how beautiful Skull Panda here. Very mysterious, very elegant. I like the pearlescent pink color of the hair and the color gradient of the gold and white. Definitely a good figure. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. We just opened four beautiful figures now, and I'm so excited to unbox all of these. So let me proceed now with our fifth box. Let me go with here. Just quite heavy. Let me unbox at the bottom part. What can you say about those four figures in front of me right now? It's just like these beautiful ladies are staring at me, and they are all so unique and beautiful and adorable and very mysterious looking. So let's see our fifth figure for today's vlog. Oops, I don't want to see any spoiler, and I don't want to destroy the box at the same time. Oops, this one has so much glue, and oops, oh, I don't want to see anything spoiler inside. So this one's quite chunky. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, look the beautiful piece. Look, guys. It's like I'm not sure if I remember like a can that it's closed, and when you open this one, there's a spring. Spring it up like this is a clown. Spring it up on the can. So this one's like that. I like it. It's so colorful. I like the color combination of this one. This is actually one of my I don't know. This has become my favorite this time. This is Skull Panda Party Show. Skull Panda here is like a crown, and there's a spring like inside of Skull Panda's body. I like, oh, even the hands is moving like this. It's tilting. This is so beautiful. Let me see the inclusion. Oh, I love this collection. So this is the paradox, and this is the inclusion, like a spring here in front of the box. It's like that. Okay. So this way. Oh, look. Very beautiful figure, guys. They use a clear PVC here. I like the eyes of Skull Panda. It's like uh I'm not sure what to call it, drooling eyes, like a yellow and purple eyes. And look how intricate the I'm not sure if this is like a mask or headpiece of the clown, and look how detailed this one, the stitches at the back, the writings and the fonts, it's very nice. The color gradient are so beautiful. I like this one, very beautiful. So this is Paradox, guys. What can you say about this figure? Very creepy, very beautiful at the same time. Please comment down below. We are almost halfway through, so this is our sixth box. Look how beautiful this lineup, guys. Right? What can you say about this lineup? They are all beautiful. So let's see which is our, which is, yeah, which is our next figure and our sixth figure for today. So let's see. I don't know. I started to like, I'm starting to like Skull Panda now. Should I collect more of the series? But I like this kind of lineup. Very unique, very artistic. So far, this Skull Panda uh, series is my favorite so far because I see the other series before in every unboxings that I did and in every visit that I did. So let's see, guys, if I'm gonna get more of Skull Panda soon. So let's see. This one has like a protection again, so I don't know which our six figure. Oops, so hard. One, two, three. Oh, this is maybe the duality of black, I believe. Okay, yeah, this is the duality black. Okay, let me remove this one first. Set aside. Okay, let me show you the duality of black. This one is so, I guess, one of the simple. Okay, maybe not. Maybe because we're not seeing the full side and details of this one. Because look, guys, it looks very simple, but if you're going to check it in detailed one, the head of Skull Panda is like a head of a black swan. Look, so this is like a black swan, and this is the beak of the swan. It's red, and this is the feather of the swan. Look, and this is again the feather of the swan. It's like the hair of Skull Panda. That's why you really have to see and you really have to touch the actual figure so that you can appreciate more and check all the details, even the small details of the figure. Because before, I never thought that this one is like a black swan wrapping around the head of Skull Panda, and there's a metallic finish of the figure of the swan. I'm not sure if why this one is broken. Maybe because this one is connected with the other figure, which is the duality of white. So let's see if they are connected to each other. So far this one's really cute, but it will be definitely more beautiful if the other figure, which is the duality of white, will be connected with this black. So let's see, guys. So far, this one is still like a simple figure for me, but let's see. but the finishing and the detail of this one is very intricate. You just have to check it carefully in a very small details of it. So what can you say about the duality of black? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the next half. So I exchange all the boxes at the bottom part so that we are able to unbox them and not remove the boxes at the bottom part one by one. So let's proceed with our second half. So this is our seventh box. So let's see. We got or open the philosophy, the paradox, the time lapse, the merchant, the duality black, and the anti gravity. So let's see, guys, if which one we are gonna unbox next. And I'm so excited also to get the duality of white so that I can connect them together. Oops. Uh oh. I just hope they will not fall down or drop at the bottom because my table is keep moving. So let's see. The seventh figure. I hope it's a secret. One, two, three. Oops. Oh, this one is so cute. I guess this one is magnetized as well. Look. Oh no, it's not. But let's see. Who is this figure? Oh, there's an inclusion. Okay. So we got the disguise. Okay. Is it here? The disguise. Yeah. The disguise. And let me put all the inclusion first because she has a sword and a silver star. Okay, let me put them all together first. So we have to put the star here. Where should I put the sword? Okay, here. This one is another intricate details figure, guys. Look, Skull Panda here is wearing a puppet mask, a porcelain puppet mask with a turquoise eyes. I like this one. She is really doing a disguise here because if you're going to open the mask, look guys, this one is not Skull Panda. She looks like a rabbit here, and I like the eyes of Skull Panda here. It has a pupil of stars. I like the cape. It's red and it's metallic. Look how intricate the details. Even the feather of the feather design of the cape is a pearlescent finish. This one is one of the very detailed figure for me, and it reminds me of combination of the Hatter and the Bunny from the Alice in Wonderland. Yeah, I like this one. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to collecting figures. We should get more of what which are worth to collect because of the detailed and being artistic with the figure. And this lineup is, I can say, is one of the most detailed and artistic figures that I unboxed from this vlog. So, yeah. Oops. Sorry. So, what can you say about that figure that I showed you just now from this lineup? So, this one is definitely worth to collect, guys. It's highly recommended. I like the stitches of this one. It's like Skull Panda here. It's really doing a disguise. If you can see this one in an actual figure, there's some like shimmery finish of the outfit. The cape, the tail cape is uh like a metallic finish. Yeah, I can say it's a beautiful figure. Look how beautiful this is. What can you say about this one? The disguise. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So, I'm almost done. It's like we still have five boxes left. So let's see. Let me open this one carefully. Oops. Now I'm urged to collect more of Skull Panda, but I have to be more careful of choosing which one should I collect next. I really want to get the more detailed, the more uh, artistic figure from this series or from this IPs. So our next figure, one, two, three. Oh, another beautiful piece. Okay, oops, it's not okay. Maybe it has a stand. Which one did I get? Okay, so this is the pivot. Hmm, is it here? The pivot? Okay, the pivot. I thought it's a secret. Ha ha ha. Expecting too much. Okay, let me set aside the boxes and everything because I wanna discuss it more to you in a more clear scenery. So this is the pivot. I really like the art card. The mask sticks on magnetically, allowing Skull Panda to morph into a cloud. The base supporting the weight symbolizes a once elusive daydream. I forgot to read all the to all the explanations of the card. Maybe later I'll explain it to you more. Okay, so this is the stand, but why it's not that? Should I? Okay, that's it. Okay, and this is the mask. The mask is like a cloud. Look, ah, beautiful. Look, guys. So Skull Panda is like a dark clouds here, and this is the rain. If you can see, there's a raindrops here, and this is the mass of Skull Panda, guys. Look, it's magnetized, and it will show the face of Skull Panda like it is dripping with black water, and this is like the head of Skull Panda is like a dark clouds, and if you can see closely, it's a clear, translucent material that they use with the head of Skull Panda here. It's very clear. You just have to check and see it more closely. And there's some raindrops dripping on her shoulders. And at the backside, it's like a black raindrops connecting with the clouds. Yeah, I can say this one is like a very artistic figure. Look how beautiful this is. Very beautiful. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go with our ninth box. So this is what okay, what still we didn't get yet. So we're still looking for the imagination, the constraint, the soar, the duality white. Yeah, that's it. One, two, three, four. So we still have four boxes. And the secret. So let's see. I'm not sure who's the secret here, but but based on my observation and uh, I'm trying to weight the left boxes. I'm not sure if there's a secret here because it looks like the secret is a big figure. So let's see, guys. Because all the boxes left are very light. There's another protection. Hard plastic protection blister. So one, two, three. Oh, the duality white. Okay, now we are going to connect the duality black to duality white. So we got duality white. It's written here, the left ear ball. Okay, the left ear ball is magnetic, connecting with the right ear ball of its twin, which is the black, for combinable display. The black and white swans. Okay, yeah, that explains a lot. The black and white swans, twins who are complete opposites, sit quietly by the shore with their feathers supporting them in harmonious contrast. A beautiful figure. Look, so maybe, yeah, so this is the white swan. Look, guys, it's very white, very pearlescent finish. Now we're going to connect them together. Oh, and it's magnetized. So they like how they will connect with each other. Maybe look, look how beautiful this figure is connected which is connected now. I don't know. Let me put here. Look, look. I'm going to put them on the middle. So let me put these guys on the top part. And this is the duality of white and black. What can you say about these two figure guys? They look beautiful together, right? They are connected to each other. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our 10th box. So, let me open now this one at the bottom part carefully. Okay. So, we still don't have the constraint, the imagination, and the sword. These three together. So, let's see. And the secret. Maybe we don't have a secret, no? Okay. Our 10th figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the mermaid. Yeah, we got the constraint. Oh, let me read at the back. All elements of the figure except its skin are hand painted, adding a mottled old school touch. The mermaid weaves thoughts into a net, tirelessly tolling away by the shore, never lifting her gaze. Yeah, this one is a mermaid like doing a kill, like trying to weaves maybe this like a net and trying to weave the net, and she's sitting with this constrained net on her body, and it has a pearlescent finish. Look how beautiful this is. Very simple, very mermaid type. If you can see, the head and the body is so shimmery pearlescent white with a touch of a pink. Very nice figure. Very mysterious one. What can you say about this one, guys? This is the constraint. Please comment down below. Let's go with our second to our last box. So, we still don't have the imagination and the sword. Imagine, I'm still not getting the sword, which is I unboxed it before. Now, maybe she is hiding to me, or maybe she is replaced with the secret. Let's see. But I'm not sure because these two left boxes are not heavy. Because if I'm going to assess the figure, which is the secret, it looks like a big figure, guys. So I'm not sure. Maybe there will be a surprise here. Okay. Yeah, this small one. So maybe this is like the, what you call this? The imagination. Let's see. One, two, three. Yeah, we got the imagination. Imagine that. That the last figure that we're about to open is the one that I unboxed before, which is the sword that I sold. Let's see. So we got the imagination. Yeah. Let me open the inclusion. It looks like a water. Oh, it's a water with full of eyes. Like a devil eyes. I'm not sure. Am I right? And oops, you have to put this one here like this. And yeah, what can you say about this one? It's like a waves of water with full of devil eyes. I'm not sure if this is removable, no. So this is like they use a clear PVC here, and Skull Panda is floating in the air because of the waves, I guess. So let's see. Let me read. Maybe there's an explanation here because they used to explain the image at the back. The face shield transformed into a transparent water surface, connecting through the ear balls to the transparent base, and main body resulting in a delicate composition. Dreams surging from deep slumber, leap skull panda above fantasy. So that's the explanation with this one, guys. So what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So we got the final box, and I believe this is the sword. Imagine that. the last box that we're going to open, or the last figure that we're going to unbox, is maybe the Sor, which is I sold before, or maybe the secret. So let's see. If this will be a secret, guys, it will be my lucky day. Because imagine I opened or unboxed the Sor before, and now we are about to open either the Sor or the secret. But this one is so light, so I'm not sure if this is secret. Maybe Sor. Because Sor said, I'm going back to you. And now she's here again. So let's see. The moment of truth. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Don't want to see any spoiler. I touch it. It's sore. I feel the figure inside. So definitely this is not a secret. So one, two, three. Yeah. Sore is coming back to me. Look. Yeah, definitely she is a beautiful figure, guys, with a golden brown hair matching with her dress, and the back of the head of Sor is like a cage of birds. There's a lot of white dove inside, it's like four doves. And I like the pearlescent finish of the face. It's so metallic and glittery and very shimmery. And Sor is flying like levitating. It's she is levitating. So this is Sor. Let me put all the inclusion so that we can appreciate Sor more. Soar high. She is soaring high. And yeah, that's it. Where's the connection of the. Huh. Okay, at the back of her dress. Like this. So, Soar is levitating again. She said, I'm coming back to you because you sold me before. You think you're gonna get a secret? No, I'm here. What can you say about Soar, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is my final lineup of what we unboxed for today, which is the Skull Panda Image of Reality series. So obviously, the one on the top are my favorites from this lineup, and the other half is not my quite favorite, but they look still beautiful and adorable to me. They connect, or they match, or they blend with each other. They are also beautiful. They did a good lineup with this image of reality of Skull Panda. They are all very artistically done. I can say that they really did a good job here. And I'm starting to like Skull Panda now, and will definitely collect more interesting series very, very soon. And if you have other favorites, except of what I did or what I chose, you can comment down below. You are free to follow and subscribe in my channel. And don't forget to like and share this video and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. I hope you had fun watching. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!